goes the door. Alright, yeah, ready. Hey. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, instead of doing an unboxing, I'm actually going to do a haul. This is from Fashion Nova, and I learned about 2 years ago that Fashion Nova is not marketed to me. Not because there's anything wrong with Fashion Nova, but because I'm just not the person that they're trying to get to buy their stuff. Yeah, so I bought a dress from there about 2 years ago. Had to return it because I immediately realized like the sizing was way off, and it's taken me 2 years, over 2 years, to find enough stuff on that site to use my credit that I had. And I am thankful to Good Housekeeping. Yes, I'm old enough to read Good Housekeeping and enjoy it. And I found this bag. So this bag, found in Good Housekeeping, is what inspired me to finally spend my Fashion Nova credits. So today I'm going to share with you all the things that I bought in my haul, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Let's do it. So obviously, first things first is this pink raffia bag. I saw it, like I said, in Good Housekeeping. Now, some of these items I have like taken out of the box and the plastic, and some of them I have not, so there may or may not be paper rustling throughout this video. We'll just see how it goes. But anyways, I bought this. It's got an amazing tropical print on the inside that I absolutely adore. I think this is going to be so fun to finish off the summer. This is not the like best made bag ever. I have a bag that's very similar to this, but just in a plain like neutral color. But this one I think is going to be amazing just because it's bright, it's poppy. It was like less than $20. And y'all, I got the best deal on Fashion Nova because not only did I spend my credit, but it was 40% off of everything on the site. And Fashion Nova is like a lot of these fast fashion stores where everything goes on sale at some point in time. So just wait for a good sale and eventually you'll get things down to the price you want them to be. So anyway, so this was less than $20. It was advertised in Good Housekeeping at $20. But I got it for less than $20. I think I ended up paying like $7 for it or something after all my discounts and sales. And I just think this is going to be such a fun piece to finish off the rest of the summer, these last few weeks of summer. Then I also bought this denim jacket. Now, in like after moto jackets, denim jackets are my next favorite piece of like outerwear. I live for a moto jacket. It's like my favorite piece of clothing ever, but denim jackets are a very close second. So this one was on part of the sale. It has a detachable hoodie on it. I love this heather gray. I think it came in like a neon yellow or something, which was a little out of my, realm. But I love that this is detachable. So that way, for those times when I'm just like, I'd rather not kind of have the hood, I can take it off. Although I don't see that happening too often. I love a good hoodie. And it also has like a sweatshirt sleeve, which is what really drew me to this, because although I love a denim jacket, they're not exactly, gonna keep you that warm because it's just not heavy enough usually, unless they're lined. So this one has the sweatshirt material on it, which is very cozy. And although it's 100 degrees outside, I think it's only like 100 degrees today, like maybe like 95 or whatever. Anyways, I love that this one has the warm sleeve on it, so it's actually going to be something that I can wear as it gets cooler. You just pop the collar a little bit on this. I got this in a large. I believe that Fashion Nova is junior sized, not Mrs. size or women's sized. So I always, size up. Anyways, you got this in a large, and I'm glad that I did because that makes it long enough on the sleeve and still like roomy enough through the bust here. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I suggest you get over there and do it, because that's where I'll probably be posting like outfits of the day and give you a sneak peek of some of these items, just so you can see me actually in them. I'm not going to do a full try on today like I would if I was doing an unboxing. So there's my jacket. And then I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. All right, so I'm going to open these up right now and just throw them on. I have no idea what they're going to look like on my face. I just kind of went by what looked appealing to me. I was trying to spend up $35 and I was trying to get free shipping. So I actually ended up spending, like I had to spend like $75, and that's after the sale price. So that's not before the sale, that's after the sale price. And then I applied my my credit, and so I ended up paying like $40 for everything you're going to see in this box. Oh, those are cute. Although they don't fit super well, but it could just be that my hair is like shellacked to my head right now. Anyways, those are really cute. I like those. I think I'm going to wear them while I get this next pair of sunglasses out. Ooh, so fun. Yeah, again, it's not that I don't like, I have anything against Fashion Nova. I just feel like it's just, you know, designed for a younger crowd. Some people who are a little more, I don't know, risque, I guess, with their fashion. They have a lot of crop tops and, I don't know, bodycon dresses and that kind of stuff. And like even their office appropriate stuff is like, borderline. Oh, those are also very cute, although not as cute as these. I think of the two, I like these better. These feel a little bit round on my face, but not terrible. I would definitely still wear them out. I'm gonna rock them. Yeah, but these I really enjoy. Those could be fun. You know, I'm the kind of person who likes to not spend a lot of money on sunglasses, not because I don't adore having a quality pair of glasses, but because I lose them all the time. I break them, I stretch them, I do all the things. So if I pay more than $20 for sunglasses, no, I'm not paying more than $20 for sunglasses. So the fact that these were like, I don't know, like $2 or $3 a piece is perfect for me. All right, so I'm gonna stuff this in my new little pink bag, and I'm gonna move on to the next item. This is a necklace, and it has a kind of a choker effect. I love going to places like Forever 21 and picking up cheap costume jewelry. It'll get you through a season or so, or through, you know, a particular adventure. Say you're, you know, going to a wedding or traveling somewhere or whatever, and you need some jewelry for some outfits. Those are kind of the places to get some quick pieces to kind of add to your collection. And then, you know, if you ruin them, you don't feel bad, or you lose them, you don't feel bad. And then sometimes those, you know, pieces end up staying in your jewelry collection for a while. All right, this is like way flashier than I could have ever imagined. I'm just looking at it in the camera and I'm like, ooh, it is sparkly girl. But I do really like it. I'm really into chokers right now because my hair is short, and so there's so, like, you can see so much of my like skin, my face, my neck. And so I love, you know, accentuating this area of my body right now. So this is a really great piece. I am going to dress this up with t-shirts and yeah, and it's just gonna be amazing. I love it. Oh, that's fancy. I like it. Okay, let me get this off really quick. All right, so that is my necklace. It's, like I said, it's a choker. It's like layered link chain, but it's definitely sparkly, and I love it. I am a sparkle girl. I love sparkle. All right, so then I bought a couple of, let's see if I can find the other one in this box. I bought a couple of sports bras, and I bought these in larges. I have not tried them on yet, so I don't know if they fit, but hopefully they do, because I don't really want another credit to Fashion Nova. Who knows when I'll buy anything from there. But I just was in need of some new workout gear, so I bought this one, and this one. Now I'm a power walker, so I didn't need like a ton of support, just a little bit of support, especially when I'm doing indoor power walking, when you're doing the kicks and the whatever, just you're moving around, whatever. So this gives me a little bit of support, I think, just enough, you know, for what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, and they're cute, especially this one. I love the ombre kind of effect here going on, and it's a little sheer, so it's, you know, a little risque, I guess. But yeah, I think these are going to be great for, you know, to go with my leggings and stuff that I have for working out. All right, fantastic. Next, this is a belt, I believe. Yes. All right, it might take me a minute to get it out of the bag. They have it taped up pretty well here. So, I love a good belt because I just like to be able to cinch things in at the waist, really define a shape. I've been telling brides for years and years, like, you know, you want to draw your eye to that kind of smallest part of your body. A belt is a great way to do that because it draws attention there. This is kind of like an obi belt. So it's like faux leather, and it goes around the middle, and then it ties. So around like this, and then it's going to tie into either a bow or knot or something in the front. So you can throw this over a black dress or whatever, anything that's like kind of form-fitting if you want to give it a little more definition at the waistline. I have been like looking for something kind of like this. This isn't exactly what I had in mind, but it's really close. I've been looking for something like this for a while. Every time I would see something, I'd hesitate on it and then not get it, or it would be sold out, or it would be more expensive than I wanted to pay. So I'm looking forward to pairing this up with some things in my wardrobe. I think that'll be a good accessory addition. Okay, so that's that. What else do I have in here? They like sent me this like big old box for all the stuff, which I mean, the purse alone took up so much space, so there's part of that. All right, keeping on the accessory train here, I got a lot of accessories. Just because I knew the clothing wasn't really going to be my forte, I kind of stayed away from too much clothing and just focused on accessories instead. I got this ring, which I'm already kind of like meh about, but here it is. Put it up, there it is. So it's like a little rectangle and triangle ring. It's really cheaply made, but again, I got it for just a couple of bucks. It was part of the clearance, in the clearance section here, and it like, you know, squeezes together, so it's kind of a one size fits all. I'm going to take it off of here really quick and slide it on. It's cute though. It's just, I know it's going to tarnish really quickly. I'll probably put some nail polish on it, and forgive my crappy looking nails right now. I just took off my dipped nails, and I'm not going to replace them quite yet. So yeah, they're just like giving me all the troubles. But anyways, that's the ring. It is cute, but like I said, I know this is so cheap, and so I'll probably spray it with some clear varnish or something to help it last a little bit longer. And then I bought these earrings. These are so cute. These hot pink kind of acrylic earrings. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't wear earrings that often, and the reason being is because I'm allergic to like everything. Is when it comes to metals. But I took a risk on these. I was like, oh, they're just a couple bucks. If it turns out that they bother my ears, what's the big deal? For, you know, a couple bucks, I'll just give them away. Somebody will want them, or I'll give them to Goodwill. But they were so cute. I kind of couldn't resist. And I think I'm on this like pink kick, which is so funny because for years and years and years and years, I did not do anything pink. I hated pink. I just felt it was so, girly, and I guess I was trying to get away from that a little bit. But I got a little older and a little wiser, and I realized I did like pink. So then it was like pink everything. I couldn't like get away from pink. I couldn't have enough of it. But even to this day, like my wardrobe does not entail that much pink. I'm trying to make sure that these are actually in. I think they are. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yes, fabulous, darling. Love these. So cute. Let me get this other one out. I'm still not sure it's actually like all the way in my ear. And I have kind of a little bit of a trick for getting around the whole sensitive ear thing. I sometimes put a little bit of, oh, that one's in. I know that one's in. I sometimes put a little bit of antibiotic cream on my earlobes and on the actual earring itself, like the part that goes through your ear, and sometimes that helps to keep down any like redness or, you know, allergic reaction that I might have. So I might give that a shot and see what happens. Oh, that one's in now too. Now I know they're in. All right, yeah, those are fun. So I'm not going to keep these in, but I did want to see what they look like and kind of show you guys. All right, I'm going to take these off really quick, and then we'll move on to the next item. Okay, the next two items in my box are tank tops. I'm really not sure how these are going to fit, but they're kind of lingerie inspired. This one is a bright, bright yellow. And I just thought this might be a nice piece to kind of pep up some of my more conservative jackets and things. But it does have a very deep front. So there's that. These are completely cheaply made. Like, there is no getting around how cheap they are. I don't expect this to last long, but again, I didn't pay a whole lot of money for it, so I don't feel too bad. Yeah, they're just not well constructed, but it's cute, and if it gets me through, you know, the fall season, because I think this will be a cute color for fall, I think that'll be sufficient. And again, I went with a large. And again, I haven't tried them on, so I don't know if large is going to be too small or not. All right, and then this is a white plain tank, probably the like most conservative thing that I saw on the website. And I bought it because I have a black tank that's very similar from Banana Republic that I absolutely adore, although obviously it's a lot better constructed. One of the things I don't particularly love about this is if you can see, I don't know, yeah, you can kind of see where that line of demarcation is. That right there is the extra fabric. That's this here, right here, that they put in there kind of as a like lining in the top, which it really doesn't need, but it's there. So, I mean, I could throw on another like tank top underneath here, but more than likely I'll just, you know, put on the right bra and be done with it. I think this will be a good, again, top to throw under jackets and that kind of stuff. And is that everything? Oh, no, one more thing. Okay, this is a scarf, I believe. I love scarves. I just think they're so chic. Something about them just says, I don't know, I should be driving in a convertible with the top down and my hair like, you know, wrapped up. Ooh, and this one's really soft. Okay, quality on this is so much better than I could have expected. It's very silky. I really like it. And it is like 4 blocks of leopard print. This is a great piece for not only like putting in the hair, but you can tie it into like a kerchief. You could also wrap this around a bag. I'll show you really quick. Just putting it on my little pink bag, and not that I would pair these two items up, but just to give you an idea. So you can put it on the handle to kind of give it a little bit of extra character. You could wrap this through, like if you have a belted bag, replace this for the belt, and use it like around the waist. If you have one of those little like leather kind of pouches, like in the Rachel Zoe boxes style, I think the last one came with this kind of little like leatherette pouch, and you can like string this through to make it a like a crossbody bag, so it would come across like the shoulder this way if you wanted to, although this one might not be quite long enough, but it would make a good little handle for like an over the arm, something like that. And of course you can wear this in your hair as a traditional scarf should be, but this is a great piece. I love this. This is probably one of the best things in this as far as quality goes in this haul. So that is everything that I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, go on over to Instagram, follow me there. I will be posting outfit pictures and accessory pictures, whatever, so you can see me kind of dressed up in all of these different items. Yeah, and if you guys want to see more hauls, let me know. I'd love to shop, so there's always packages coming for me. But I'm happy to share them with all of you. So until the next video, live with love, and I'll see you soon. Bye.